Well, I told you Thursday that I would run around and give you guys a shop update when I got back on Monday, so I'm on my way over to the paint shop to keep blocking on Elcamino, and I figured I'd give you a little update. So Camaro, most of the accessories are in, most of the hoses and lines and wires are ran. I'm ready to plumb the ABS system and finish up a few of the wiring sensors. I ran short on loom and silicone hose, so I was waiting for that stuff to come in. But I should be real close to buttoning up the top end of this thing, hanging headers, and then moving on to the suspension and exhaust. This project's been shelved for 5 to 10 days because I gave my customer and client a commitment verbally that I would do everything I could to get his Elcamino in paint by the end of the week. So these are the door hinges. I decided to rust encapsulate them because obviously they were rusty, and then we just left them in flat black. I think it's going to be a real good contrast in the door jambs. There's my springs for the detent, and then these are the bed panels that need to go in the bed so that we can do our bed liner. I've got all the new hinge pin kits and bushings. So those are all looking happy. I got the headlight buckets out. These are the last of the loose pieces that I need. I got the headlight buckets out and got those in primer today. So we need to sand these down and get them ready for paint. There's one gouge on here that I am going to have to putty, and I might have to re-spot prime it. But for the most part, these are in really good shape now. So I'm going to get these over the house in the morning with the door hinges. I'm going to assemble the hinges here and take them over to the house and then start hanging body panels on the car. So I got to get all those body panels hung on that Elcamino, get the front clip assembled, get the hood over. The hood's the last piece that's here, and then we'll be ready to start blocking it out with 320 grit sandpaper, cleaning it, and masking things up for paint. So things working out real good. Things looking real good. I'm happy, and when I make a commitment to things, I'm one of those that'll die trying. So if I don't make it by the end of the week, it won't be for lack of effort. That's where we are Monday afternoon. I'm gonna head home and see what I can get done. Appreciate you guys. We'll catch you later on in the week. Take care.